We'll guide you through how to center text in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. After the application launches, go to the Project panel where your media files are stored. From this panel, drag the media clip directly onto the timeline to create or place it in a sequence where you want to add text. Once the clip is visible in the timeline, press T on the keyboard to activate the Type tool, which allows you to create text directly on the video frame. Next, click on the program monitor, then type the text you want to add to the video. This text will appear on top of the video clip in your sequence. After typing the text, switch back to the selection tool so you can adjust the text settings and modify its position or style more easily. Now move to the Properties panel located on the left side of the interface. This panel contains the controls used to customize the appearance and layout of the text. If needed, change the font type according to your preference. For example, you can use Poppins as the font style to give the text a clean and modern look. After selecting the font, adjust the font size according to your design needs so the text appears clearly on the screen and remains readable within the video frame. Continue scrolling down in the Properties panel until you find the Appearance section. If you want the text to stand out more, enable the Stroke option in the Stroke section to add an outline around the text. If necessary, click on the Stroke Color box and change the stroke color according to your preference. Then click OK to confirm the color selection. You can also adjust the stroke width to control the thickness of the outline based on your design needs or visual style. After completing the appearance adjustments, scroll down again until you find the Align and Transform section. Click Align Center horizontally to position the text in the horizontal center of the screen. Then click Align Center vertically to place the text in the vertical center of the frame. Review the text position in the program monitor to ensure the text is perfectly centered on the video frame.